This has been brought to you by Coach K. Coach K exclusive.
Grim Ripper Records. Let's ride. Let's ride. I was raised gathering scraps, community charities helped. Welfare and wick for milk. Peep in the summer, pip in the winter. Notice utilities, find a rising star, shining potential. Working hard to be a winner. Say a prayer for a sinner. Born in a nightmare, in the hood that don't fight fair. Cause the pain is love, where you grow and advance, learn and enhance. Paying dues for the streets I roam, I call my home. 16 years old, I'm on my own. You can ask my zone, the Oaks, I'm a rider for the cause. Breaking the laws till I'm gone, now I'm back. And I won't fall, had my back against the wall. Feel me y'all and take this ride down memory lane. Boys in the rear view, drove in a jar. Strap, rolling the Dutch, rapping and bumping the zap in the car. All of my life people acting so hard, I'm counting my blessings and biting my tongue. Never outrun the journey I'm on, this life that I lead in the place that I'm from. Day in and day out, the ghetto, the slums. Projects is dirty and filthy, infested with fiends and these bums. Rolling and claiming however it comes. Easy it goes, ride until I die for my heart and soul.